Oh shit. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video is you know very very special for me because मैं normally जब मैं makeup artist बनी थी तो all the products that I bought were based on all the reviews and first impression videos that I had seen on YouTube. So doing something like that on my own channel is a very special feeling for me. So I just wanted to say thank you first, so for motivating me and giving me all the love and support, so that I'm motivated every day to create content for you guys. If you're new to this channel, then welcome. Hi. We over here we talk about makeup, skincare, beauty, and all of that. And if you like some of my content, then please hit that subscribe button and let's get going. So in today's video, we are going to review this little baby here. I bought this palette a couple of weeks ago and I have used it a few times. That's when I thought that, you know what, I can now talk about it and give you a good opinion and review of this palette. So if we talk about the packaging of the palette, it's very very sleek and premium. The outer cover is in plastic, unlike the other beauty palettes, which were usually cardboard. But inside it looks quite similar, not in the shades, but the way it has been set. So it comes with a large mirror like here, and we have total of 18 shades with a mix of mattes, foils, and some marble shades here. So we have 7 mattes and about 5 foils, 4 marble shades, and one weird sloppy, slippery sort of a shade, which I don't know serves any purpose whatsoever. So if you look at the palette, it looks very very warm, and it's definitely not a cool tone palette. So आपको देखने में लग रहा होगा कि it's all brown in color, but honestly when you apply, the shades are more towards berry and plum side. They have more of a pinkish hue to it rather than the brown touch. So they look very different from what they are in the pan and what they look on the eyes. So you will know that when you start applying. Palette retails for about 5,375 Indian rupees and comes with the expiry date of 2 years, which is a decent time, I think. Now it's a very versatile palette, and all the shades that you see here are quite look from the same family, except this one. This one is slightly, these two actually, they are slightly cool toned as compared to the other shades in here. This is on the bluish purplish side. Like if I show you, it looks like it is like a dual chrome purple blue sort of a shimmer, and this is a nice jet. It's a very nice matte light pink sort of a color. So I really like the palette to look at. I'm just not sure of this particular shade. I mean, this feels like a balm, and it's very glossy. There's hardly any color to it. It's just a little bit of a tint. And if I want to give my eyelids a wet look, I can use like some eyeshadow underneath and maybe apply some Vaseline. So we could have had another matte or a shimmer shade in it. Maybe I would prefer a black, because black is like an essential shade if you are creating any sort of smoky looks or any sort of look. So black is definitely a very versatile color to put. I would have preferred if that slippery shade was replaced by a black matte eyeshadow, but nonetheless, whatever it is, we'll work with it. Now to see how the palette actually performs and how the colors perform, let's head to the video. So let's start with the eye makeup, and I have done my face, and we will also see कि इसका fall back वगैरह कैसा है. लिड्स को प्राइम करने के लिए मैं यूज़ करने वाली हूँ मेरा टार्ट कंसीलर इन द शेड लाइट मीडियम, और बस मैं थोड़ा सा ही इसको लगाऊंगी क्योंकि फाउंडेशन भी हल्का सा है आईलिड्स पर. तो आई शेडो के पिगमेंटेशन के लिए इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू प्राइम योर लिड्स विथ कंसीलर और सम सॉर्ट ऑफ एन आई बेस. अदरवाइज आपका जो आई मेकअप है वो उतना ज़्यादा पॉप होकर नहीं आएगा. द कलर पिगमेंटेशन will not be that great. So it's always important that you prime your lids with some sort of a concealer or a base. इसको हम अच्छे से blend कर देंगे. So I'm not going to apply any powder to set it, because जो eyeshadow है जब वो इसके ऊपर हम directly लगाते हैं तो that will give it like a tacky base. The concealer will give it like a tacky base, और वो बहुत अच्छे से stick हो जाएगा. So the eyelids are all ready. Now we are going to start with I'll take a fluffy brush, like this, and I will start with a light transition color. Always remember, जब भी आप eye look कोई create कर रहे हैं, always start using the lightest colors first and then gradually move towards deeper colors so that you have more control over the kind of pigmentation and intensity you want. So I'm going to start with the shade Arouse and Rough. I'll mix these two and I will start with giving depth into my crease. Now crease is basically ये जो line, ये जो fold आपका बनता है eyes पर, इसको crease कहते हैं. तो इधर मैं थोड़ा सा depth देते हुए मेरे हाथ, I'm moving my hands in the lightest, with the lightest pressure, so that the colors are not that harsh. बहुत softly blended colors आएं. It looks beautiful, isn't it? We'll go one more time over this. Always tap off the excess so that there is no, अगर आप direct palette से उठा करके brush को eyelids पर लगा देंगे तो it will become very very patchy. So always tap off the excess. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा intensity यहाँ तक नहीं बढ़ा रही हूँ. I'm just sticking the pigmentation only in the outer half of the eyelid. And whatever is left, you can just drag it up to the inner corner. जब आपके ब्रश में कोई प्रोडक्ट ना बचे तो जो ऊपर की लाइन है ना जहाँ पर आपका कलर एंड हो रहा है, बस उसको आपको हल्का हल्का ऐसे ब्लेंड कर देना है so that it just all seamlessly blends into each other. I think it looks very 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 beautiful, and the matte in with Huda Beauty have definitely improved. I remember the first palette that I used, उसमें इतने smooth और easy mattes नहीं थे. They were a little patchy. Okay, now that if I want to do the same thing on my other eye, I'll make sure that जो हमने concealer लगाया था उसमें कोई lines नहीं है. अगर आपको लग रहा है कोई lines हैं, उसको हल्का सा आप blend कर ले, make it like a plain canvas and then start. I will repeat the same steps here. It's blending quite nice. Excuse my eyebrows, guys. I have been very lazy to get it shaped, but I will go. Hopefully. Okay. So my transition shade is in place and I think it looks absolutely perfect. अब हम लोग थोड़ा सा precisely जाएंगे crease में and we will give it like a nice deep shade, and उसके लिए I'm going to use a more precise brush like this, and I will go in with the shade. I have a lot of deep shades here. I have Spicy, which is more like a plum color. Then there is Untamed, which is more of like a, it's a dark berry shade, and Naughty, which is slightly on the brown side. So I think I will go with the Spicy and Untamed. इन दोनों को मैं mix कर रही हूँ फिर से, और बहुत ही ध्यान से मैं सिर्फ आउटर वी में कलर को जो है वो डिपॉजिट कर रही हूँ. So because this is not a fluffy brush, it will not help us blend it. It is just going to deposit the color. Blending के लिए again we'll have to go back to a fluffy brush. So we're gonna do that. Oh my god, can you see that gorgeous color? It is so pretty. Wow. Lash line के एकदम पास आपको ये slanting line बनाना है, and then into the crease, making a like a V, और बहुत अंदर तक नहीं लेकर आना है इसको, because this is just for the intensifying of the crease. I will take my fluffy brush again, जिसको हमने भी यूज़ किया था, और मैं पूरे क्रीज को नहीं छेड़ रही हूँ, सिर्फ जो एजेस है ना उसको हम ब्लेंड करेंगे. अगर आप ध्यान से देखें तो सिर्फ लाइक 20% ऑफ द ब्रश इज ऑन द कलर जो हमने डिपॉजिट किया है, बाकी हम एज इट इज छोड़ देंगे सो दैट उसका जो इंटेंसिटी है वो डाइल्यूट ना हो. द मैट्स आर डेफिनेटली ब्लेंडिंग वेरी वेल. I think it's looking very very nice. They have blended quite seamlessly. मुझे बिल्कुल भी ऐसे पैची फीलिंग नहीं आ रहा है, तो I think it's nice. I'll do the same thing on the other side. I really like the shades. मतलब मैंने ऐसे honestly इस तरह के berry और ये plum shades जो है ना, they look very nice. I will now go into the shade Untamed. Tap off the excess और उसको मैं इधर deposit कर दूँगी. Just inside the V that we have created. And इसको फिर से हम fluffy brush के साथ जाएंगे और circular motion में blend कर देंगे. I think I'm quite satisfied with the intensity, and I think the pigmentation of the shades is very very good. So far I have used approximately 4 shades here and they've all performed very well, but I have only used the 4 mattes. Now we will move to the frosted ones. Frosted ones are always recommended. या तो आप ब्रश को सेटिंग स्प्रे से थोड़ा सा गीला करके यूज़ करें या फिर अपनी फिंगर से यूज़ करें फॉर द बेस्ट पिगमेंटेशन. आई गो विद माई फिंगर्स बिकॉज अगर आप डायरेक्टली ब्रश से यूज़ करेंगे तो देन देयर कैन बी अ लॉट ऑफ फॉल आउट विच आई डोंट वांट, क्योंकि मैं अपना बेस कर चुकी हूँ. So I'm getting into the shade Tantric, which is like a gold shade here. And can you see that? Whoa. I really love the foils in Huda palettes. They are so gorgeous. My goodness, look at that. I think I will go with the shade Please Me, which looks like a copper shade, but on application it's more like a rose gold. So yeah, I will stick to that. Wow, इसको मैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ सेंटर ऑफ द लिड लगा रही हूँ. Even with the finger you can see there's a slight fallback here. I'm using this shade Please Me. It's a gorgeous rose gold copperish sort of a foil, and I think it's beautiful. Okay, there's a lot of fallout even with the finger, so which is not a good thing because I wonder अगर हम ब्रश से लगाते तो ये कितना ज़्यादा होता. Okay, so I will now go in the shade Flower Power. It's a marble sort of a shade and it has a little bit of shimmer as well as matte. So I am just picking the shade which is the shimmery one and going in right in my inner corner for the highlight. It's beautiful. ये थोड़ा आपको ध्यान से करना पड़ेगा कि बहुत ऊपर और नीचे नहीं जाना चाहिए. It should just stick with the, you know, the shape, the contour of your eye. Isn't it pretty? आप चाहें तो एक छोटा ब्रश भी ले सकते हैं. I will see if the brush works better than my finger. I can see a lot of fallout. Yeah, this is much better. I'm using a small flat brush. The brush that I'm using is by PAC. It's the PAC 382. It's a very very useful brush. I'm creating like a cut crease but not like a very precise one. But wow, isn't it pretty? I love it, but I'm very disappointed with the fallout that I have even with the finger. I'll try and remove it. Okay. Now what we need is we need to blend this. Okay. So uske liye I will take the blending brush again and just going to blend it. Lovely. I love the intense smoky look that it has given my eyes. I will now go, now we will also do something in the under eye. I will go with the Precise brush that we used for the outer V, and I will go in the shade Spicy and just deposit that color along the lash line. Wow. Under eyes makes such a difference, trust me. I mean, I think this is it. That's all. That completes my eye makeup. And if you want, you can give a little bit of a highlight shade here, and I'm going to dip into the shade Filthy, which is the lightest shade of the palette. It's a matte pinkish sort of a color, and I'm just going to go in here so that it sort of creates a blending color as well, and it gives a nice lifted look to my eyebrows. If you want, you can go like slight bit shimmery here, but that's your choice. I use the shade Tantric here, and I like it. Now you can just finish it with some lashes, liners, mascara, and I'll be right back. Since the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered, Huda Beauty palettes have been quite versatile, and I think they look quite nice. The shade range, I wouldn't say it's something that I have seen like new, but you can definitely find this sort of a shade range in other palettes as well. But together, if you ask me, it's more of a deeper shade palette, and together if you have a lot of shimmers and mattes together, this palette is quite versatile in its own. It can give you different sort of looks if you are somebody who likes to create shimmer eye looks or smoky eye looks. You are all about browns and plums and berries, then this is definitely yours. Whether you need it or not, well, how many eyeshadow palettes are too many? Well, for me, I would say this has been an amazing addition to my collection. But if you are somebody who's looking for like one single palette, then I would not recommend this one. I would rather recommend you the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered, because that gives you more versatile colors and shade range to work with. But if you are somebody who loves to collect and try out different palettes, then definitely do give it a try. It is definitely worth a shot. That's all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video and you want me to review more products for you, please leave your valuable comments and give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you like my content, then please hit the subscribe button and that bell notification so that you can be notified every time I post a video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye, take care.